Hi, Milorad here. I am at this park, Springfield Park in Rowlett, Texas. After 2 days of rain, I see there both of those two ponds are overflowing with water, and I came to see what's going on in the park. Probably in a day or two it's going to be much better. We will have water go back to the ponds, but there will still be some standing water on the fields, and that's where birds are coming, and that's the best time actually to go and take some pictures of birds. And hopefully this time I will find some new birds. What a sight today! So many birds on these fields, because this field is underwater, at least half of it, and there's a bunch of birds trying to feast on the fish, stranded fish. But there are also a couple new birds that I never saw before. I'm not sure they are new species or they are just female or youngsters of herons or egrets. There's probably lots of stranded small fish. Wow, they are different bird I never saw before. Some kind of egret or heron. And there's a blue heron next to it. Maybe it's just a female or something like that. Or young. Hi, Milorad here. I am here at Springfield Park in Rowlett, Texas, and we have a couple days of rain again, and these fields behind me, they are half underwater, or they are underwater for a couple inches, and I came to see what I can photograph today. I had a really good photo shoot yesterday. I had some juvenile herons that I actually saw for the first time and didn't even know what kind of bird is that, especially that little blue heron that doesn't look nothing like adult heron. But anyway, I'm very glad to have those pictures and the videos from yesterday, and I hope I can do something today as well. Let's go and find out. I see already some birds behind me, and let's see what we can photograph today. very happy today. I had beautiful pictures of herons, and this time juvenile yellow-crowned night heron and the juvenile little blue heron, and they don't look like adults at all. Completely different color scheme. And juvenile little blue heron is kind of this one is a little bit older. One of these are a little bit older, and you can see it's getting more blue purplish color than those younger ones, that they are mostly white. Okay, very good, very satisfied for today. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching. Milorad out.